I'm not here to hype, just to show you what to check on 5 PCS round spring clasp keychain ring openable carabiner hook buckle connector for DIY jewelry making phone bag accessories before you buy. When this category is done right, it feels premium enough for the price point. What I'd do first is scan the options. Sometimes one variant is the real winner. A lot of buyers get the best results by choosing the option that matches their setup. Details matter. Before you buy, see if there's a promo code, bundle deal, or discounted variant today. Before checkout, variant, size/specs, newest reviews, done. Reviews are the shortcut here. Look for repeated comments about quality, fit, and consistency. Link in the description, compare options and check the latest price. So if 5 PCS round spring clasp keychain ring openable carabiner hook buckle connector for DIY jewelry making phone bag accessories is on your list, take a second to pick the right option and verify the details. If you like smart, practical buys, this one makes sense.